just got a new apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor wet. Walk around this beach naked. Nobody can tell me shit.
Hey guys, it's your girl Mayana and I'm back with another video. I'm doing an apartment tour, okay, because you guys have been harassing me for a long time. You guys have been sending me death threats, okay? So if you're interested, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and connect with me. Let's be friends. Let's be cousins, okay? Okay.
So here are 3 facts about my apartment. I have 506 square feet, I live in Texas, and yes, I have plenty of storage. And here's my apartment. Okay, so when you guys first come in, basically this is the door, and then we have like a little part that's wood, and then the rest is basically carpet. So we have a TV, but it's on the floor. We're thinking about just mounting it, and then I'm gonna have a TV, you know, table underneath. I'm gonna insert a picture and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. This is the view from the patio, and then directly to your right we have a dry bar, and then on this dry bar we just have like a couple pictures here. We have a little art, and this art is from TJ Maxx. We usually have a candle, and then we just have some wine right here. Then we have like this little cube thing that just says collect moments, not things. Then we just have a counter. We also have storage underneath, which is really cool. We actually have a lot of storage. So then right here we have like some storage. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here. Most likely I'm gonna put like frames and stuff, and like plants and all that cool stuff. So this is the whole space. What I have planned for this area is I just ordered a couch. It's supposed to come on Tuesday actually. So basically it's just gonna cover this whole area, and then what I plan on doing is like a little coffee table right here, and it's gonna be like circular. I have this little thing which is like a little basket, so I'm gonna put it by the couch, and this is going to be like for like throw blankets and stuff, like miscellaneous thing, like probably pillows and blankets and all that. So our kitchen. So we have this a regular sink, dishwasher. Underneath here just is cleaning stuff and all that, and then we have our pantry. So this is how our pantry looks. So this is how the patio looks, and then it comes with like a little screen door. I'm sorry you guys can't really see me, but so if you come out here, we all have storage. So just in the storage, we have a little light. So, and then down here, we have just like a box. This is where I store my suitcases, our vacuum, our broom, and shoes, and just, so basically it's just like miscellaneous stuff. And yeah, so going back in the house. So for the bed, this is DIY. I did it out of pallets, and I don't think it's gonna stay like this for sure. I'm probably gonna get like a bed frame with a headboard and all that. I'm thinking about doing for sure. I also have this frame that I got from Hobby Lobby, and basically it says where you go, I'll go, and where you stay, I'll stay. And I'm thinking about bringing it up here, and then like doing it kind of like half and half kind of thing. So then right here we have our little TV, and then we have this miscellaneous stuff right here as before, but it's definitely not going to stay like this. It's definitely not going to stay like this. We're going to get like a stand and stuff, and I'm definitely mounting the TV. So the bedroom did come with all these mirrors, so that's really good. I really like it. And then this is our closet. It's really small, but it works. So this is just my side, our shoes, and then his side, all that. And this is our bathroom. So the bathroom is really simple. We got a shower, we got a toilet, we got a sink, And then it has like a lot of cabinet space as well. Let me turn this light on for you. So we have like a lot of cabinet space. So this is his side, this is my side, and then I have these two that's just usually for my hair, whatchamacallit. And then we have our medicine cabinet, and then most of the time we have a candle running right here. So that's that. I'm thinking about doing for the bathroom is definitely put contact paper. I'm thinking about doing marble for sure, but I didn't want to do all that classy look, but I do want it to look like a hotel kind of look. So for sure I'm gonna do that, and then get like a more like soaps and all that for this. So yeah, so this is our shower curtain. We got it from Didi's discount, but I'm gonna change it out because I'm still trying to work out what kind of theme I want for the bathroom. And we just have a little floor mat, shower mat, whatever you want to call it, and then towel. And then we have these little heating lamps right here that I really love. And then we also have the white light. If you close the door, directly behind it we have more storage right here. So right now we just have like, it's junky right now because it's just two of us and we really don't need a lot of things. So I'm contemplating of buying a full set of towels and stuff, like I guess when guests come, but like I really don't plan on guests coming, but I guess I should be prepared for it. So basically we just have a towel, another towel, we have our cleaning supplies, and that's that. That's the apartment tour. It's the apartment tour. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any ideas or whatnot for like the kitchen, the bathroom, what you do. So yeah, that's that, but you gotta go. Sorry.